hockey?
No. Yes.
I do. The Brewers.
Especially the Brewers.
We shouldn't talk about that. You can't put that on YouTube. You get haters.
Oh, really? Well.
Now I forgot the funny story.
About Spooey.
So I've been collecting the free soda coupons, like a couple free Mountain Dews,
Yeah.
and I put them in my wallet. Well, I cleaned my wallet out, and I forgot, and I went to Speedway, and I'm like, yes, I'm gonna get my free sodas. I go to pay, and I can't find the coupons. Fail. And the lady's waiting for me to pay. I felt like an old grandma because I'm like, oh, I have coupons. No, I have and I'm like, checking out my pockets. I'm like, crap. So I had to pay for my soda for the second time. We went to the mall
Thursday
to exchange Naomi's birthday present. And we were coming out of the mall, and I thought it would be funny. I saw a long line of people, and I told Naomi to hold my hand. And she did. And we're walking out. We started getting some looks that were not very nice. And what's Naomi do? She just looks at them and smiles.
What else can you do?
I want one of those cars.
No one did that.
You did.
No.
Okay, Naomi, what was your joke about cemeteries? I mean, cemeteries aren't a funny thing. But what was it? You used to say something. You used to crack me up. What was it?
That cemeteries are the place where everybody's dying to go.
Yeah.
It wasn't that funny when I said it in a funeral.
Hello. My name is Cheeseburger. My name is Moo. Want seafood?
If a cheeseburger could talk, what would it say?
Ketchup.
Ketchup.
This is what we're doing on our Saturday. Sitting in the airport lookout, watching airplanes take off and land.
Mitchell Gallery of Flight.
Mitchell Gallery of Flight. Look at this gallery of flight. Bon voyage. We have a confession about this song.
Yeah.
Like, I know it's really popular right now, but we
But-
can't stand it.
Nope.
Nope.
It was okay in the movie. What
Yeah.
movie?
Despicable Me Too,
Yeah.
I think.
But then it's getting annoying because everybody's playing it. And I look really white.
She's not white.
No, I'm Mexican.
Why did you cringe? Why did you cringe?
I don't know. I've been doing that a lot.
That was weird.
Since my name means I love you, it's like every time somebody says, Naomi, I say, oh, I love you too. No.
No. Well, another confession. They say that college is supposed to be the best years of your life, but I don't think it's true. Not for me anyway.
No, I mean, I'm having a good time, but...
I mean, I think the best is yet to come because I just studied all the time and worked all the time, and I did not enjoy it, really. I mean, I enjoyed the university, but I enjoyed the city, but
She enjoyed me. That's what she meant to say.
I enjoyed meeting you. There, I'll flatter you. But I don't think that college is the best years. What?
I was throwing the garbage and my feet got stuck in the garbage can.
And I just screamed. It was like, oh my god. This one's gonna be cool. That's why you didn't go, because that one went first. Whoop. Have fun wherever you're going. Sweet. That feeling gets me every time. It just slams you back in your seat, like. Yeah. There they go. Way to go. She put a French fry on the car and now it's right there. And the seagulls, we gotta shut the sunroof because the seagulls try to come inside the... I'm flustered right now. A seagull tried to come in the roof. Oh, are you? Shut the window. Shut the window. We're gonna get attacked.
There's one in there, little bird. Oh, they're fighting. Look, now they're fighting for the French fry. Oh, the one just flew away. Here it is. The winner of the French fry. Oh.